So this is part of my BeeBeeCraft haul that they sent to me, and I want to show you guys what I've been working on. They sent me these little glass ghosties, so I made some beaded little tassels. So here's a couple of those. I think they came out really, really cute. And then from this kit right here, it had a ton of alphabets in here. So I did create a ton of words. So you can see I even used some of those little stars. So super cute. I got all these little alphabets over here. And then with this kit right here, I used some of those seed beads, and I just made some really tiny little bead dangle pieces right there that I can use for another project. They also sent me this little Grim Reaper, so I just added a couple beads to show you they can make your really cute little dangle. Let's see. Oh, they sent me these cute little witch hats and these little silicone beads, so I just glued them on using my Gorilla Glue. I don't have the specific one out here. It's just a clear Gorilla Glue that I used to glue those on, and then using these beads in here, I took those little witch's hat and glued them on as well. So you could stick a jump ring through here if you wanted to go ahead and use those as little dangle embellishments. So that's pretty much that I got going on. But right now we are going to dig into this bag right here, and we are going to make embellishment using those little spider webs. So this bag has glow-in-the-dark spider webs, black ones, these green that are kind of neon green spiders in this color and in black. There's some smaller spiders in glow-in-the-dark and black. And then there's these bats that are glow-in-the-dark and black as well. So it's a really cute little mix right there. So what I want to do is I want to see how this will go together. So I'm going to just paper punch this little scallop out. And let's see, do I want it on top or in the background? I think I'm going to do it kind of like in the background. That way you could kind of see the spider web a little bit more. And then I have a rosette here that I'm going to go ahead and put together also. So I got my little rosette crinkled. So we are going to glue these pieces together here. And then I'm just going to start like building my layers. So I'm going to put this rosette. I want to see how big it is. I don't know if this is going to be too large. Oh, you know what? Maybe I'll do that. I think I like that better. I'm going to put the spider web on top of my rosette. That looks cute. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So that's the fun thing about crafting is you could go ahead and change what you're doing. And put some glue here. Just kind of try to center this. I think you guys can see. Like right over that paper. And then I'm going to hold it down for a second. And then I'm just going to add some glue in the middle there to kind of hold everything, and then a little bit on top. I'm going to put my next little circle there. Now I got to figure out what layering elements I want to use. So like I said, originally I was going to use this one. So do I want to continue with that? Actually, that doesn't look too bad. Let's see. Okay, let me pull out a couple more things to figure out what we're going to do here. Okay, so I think I figured out what I want to do. So I have my little scatter here, and what I'm going to do is I want to go ahead and layer the bat, and I want the wings to pop out. So I'm going to actually glue it kind of far apart, and then we're going to put the spider web on top. So let's start building up our layers here. And I cut the bat in half because I want it to not really stand out a lot, but I do want them to, you know, just have like that little bit of space. So you see they kind of peep out of that spider web just a little bit more. So I'm gonna just add some glue, just kind of like right to the middle. Glue that down. And then I want to take, I think, my Witch's Brew sticker. Let's see how that would look before we glue it down. I kind of like that. So we're going to do that one, I think. But I also did bring out my butterflies here. Oh, that's kind of cute too. See, this is so hard. Once you start pulling things out of your stash, like decisions are so hard. Okay, I'm not going to use those. So it's between the butterfly. I have this Hocus Pocus up here too. But I think that takes away too much from the spider web. Or I could do a little haunted owl. Or a raven. I think I'm going to stick with my little Witch's Brew here. I'm just going to add a little bit of extra glue to the back. We're going to make sure our Witch's Brew is centered. Then I got this little bat here. Oh yeah, we kind of tucked that in right there. I think I'm going to do that. Tuck the little batty bat in. Just put some extra little glue just for like extra reassurance that it's not going to go anywhere. Put that guy there. Oh, with some of my beads that I already wrapped. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So I took a jump ring out of this kit right here that was sent to me. We're going to open that up. And then I got some of these spiders from them also. So we are going to dangle the spider off of the spider web. That is going to be so cute. So we got our jump ring here that came with our kit. We're going to put this spider on here. And then see right here at the bottom of the spider web, we can actually loop that right through. And we could go ahead and close that off. Oh my gosh, that is so stinking cute. I love it. I love that the spider web can dangle a charm off of there. Oh my gosh, that worked out so cute. Love it so much. So that's our little video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments. I'm more than happy to help you guys out, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.